Welcome to Stoic Philosophy, where wisdom meets the modern age. If you're intrigued by the path less traveled, if you seek knowledge that empowers, subscribe and join us on this journey. Hobby number 1, writing. It's not just an act of putting words on paper. It's a journey into the deepest recesses of the self. It's where thoughts are woven into stories, emotions are painted in poetry, and the unspoken is given a voice. In the sanctuary of her solitude, the Sigma female finds writing to be a faithful companion. It's a canvas for her introspection, a space where her inner dialogue can flourish without judgment. Each sentence crafted is a step towards self-understanding. Each paragraph, a layer of her soul is revealed. The beauty of writing lies in its boundless freedom. Here, creativity knows no limits, and imagination reigns supreme. Whether it's crafting a novel that echoes her life's philosophy or penning an article that challenges societal norms, writing empowers her to shape her narrative her own way. For the Sigma female, writing is not a mere hobby. It's a form of self-expression that's as essential as the air she breathes. It's where her creativity bursts forth like a wellspring, untamed and pure. And in this act of creation, she finds not just joy, but a reflection of her very essence. Hobby number 2, martial arts. Discipline not just of the body, but of the mind and spirit. Here, she doesn't fight against an opponent. She battles her limitations, breaking through them with every disciplined move. In the dojo, empowerment is not given, it's earned. Each stance is a statement of independence, each strike is a declaration of power. The Sigma female thrives here, in the silent conversation between her will and her body, finding a resonance that speaks to her core. The physical benefits are evident in her poise and agility, but it's the mental fortitude that marks the true victory. Martial arts teach her to channel her energy, to control her focus, and to harness a calm mind amidst chaos. For the Sigma female, martial arts are more than a hobby. They are a testament to her resilience. It's where she learns that true strength comes from within, and that every challenge overcome is another step towards self-mastery. Hobby number 3, coding. It's modern alchemy, turning abstract ideas into tangible solutions. In this realm, every problem is a puzzle waiting for its master solver. In the quiet focus of her workspace, the Sigma female finds a rhythm in the lines of code. Each algorithm is a challenge to her intellect, and each function is a testament to her ingenuity. It's a space where her problem-solving prowess comes to life, dissecting complexities with the precision of a surgeon. The act of coding is akin to planting a seed and nurturing it into a flourishing tree. There's a profound satisfaction in building something from scratch, in watching a mere concept evolve into a functioning piece of software. It's not just about writing code. It's about creating a legacy that can change the world. For the Sigma female, coding isn't just a hobby. It's a form of expression that resonates with her logical yet imaginative spirit. It's where she finds the joy of innovation and the thrill of bringing her visions to life. Hobby number 4, gardening. A pastime where the Sigma female finds solace and a profound sense of connection to the earth. It's here, among the whispering leaves and blooming flowers, that she cultivates more than plants. She nurtures her soul. In the rhythmic dance of planting and tending, the Sigma female discovers the virtues of tranquility and patience. Each seed sown is a promise to the future, and each plant grows a lesson in perseverance. The garden becomes a sanctuary, a place where time slows down and the simple act of caring for life becomes a meditation. The bond with nature is undeniable as she coaxes life from the soil. It's a symbiotic relationship, where the care she gives to her plants is returned tenfold in the peace they bestow upon her. In this green haven, the Sigma female finds a mirror to her own growth, a tangible representation of her personal development. For the Sigma female, gardening is more than a hobby. It's a dialogue with the environment, a testament to the interdependence of all life. It's where she finds harmony in the quiet, an unspoken understanding that in nurturing nature, she is, in fact, nurturing herself. Hobby number 5, chess. A game of war and peace, where the Sigma female finds a battlefield tailored to her intellect. It's a world where strategy reigns and every move is a silent stroke of tactical genius. On this checkered field, The Sigma female is a solitary warrior. Her foresight is her greatest weapon. Each piece is an extension of her will, each square a terrain to conquer with precision. Chess demands a vision that sees beyond the immediate, a mind that weaves plans within plans. The independent and analytical mindset of the Sigma female thrives in this realm of endless possibilities. Here, she exercises the full might of her strategic thinking, anticipating her opponent's moves, countering with grace, and advancing with unwavering determination. For the Sigma female, chess is more than a hobby. It's a reflection of her life's approach. It's where she practices the art of patience and the virtue of foresight, honing skills that transcend the game and infiltrate every aspect of her enigmatic existence. Hobby number 6, podcasting, a medium that transcends the airwaves, offering a soapbox for the mind. It's here, in the podcast studio, that she finds the power to broadcast her insights and the freedom to speak her truth. In this digital age, the podcast becomes her pulpit, her episodes a series of sermons to those who share her curiosity. The Sigma female leverages this platform to disseminate knowledge, challenge conventions, and share the narratives that mainstream channels might overlook. But it's not just about speaking, it's about connecting. Podcasting allows her to weave a network of like-minded individuals, with each listener a potential collaborator, each interview a bridge to new perspectives. Her communication skills flourish as she engages with guests, articulating complex ideas with ease and sparking dialogues that resonate with her audience. For the Sigma female, podcasting is more than a hobby. It's a journey of intellectual exploration and personal branding. It's where she cultivates her community, one episode at a time, and where her voice, once a whisper in the void, becomes a beacon for others on the path of knowledge. Hobby number 7, DIY projects, a canvas for the creative spirit, where every tool is a brush and every material a stroke of genius. In this domain, she is the creator, the builder, and the visionary. In the sanctuary of her workshop, the Sigma female finds joy in the act of creation. With each project, she weaves her resourcefulness into something tangible, something uniquely hers. It is a world where his creativity is not bound by instructions, but inspired by imagination. The sense of accomplishment that comes from completing a DIY project is unparalleled. It's the pride of looking at a piece of furniture and knowing every joint was crafted by her hands, the satisfaction of wearing a garment that carries the imprint of her design. For the Sigma female, DIY is more than a hobby. It's a testament to her self-reliance and ingenuity. It's where she finds the freedom to experiment, to learn, and to express her individuality through the works she creates. Hobby number 8, yoga. For the Sigma female, yoga is more than a series of poses. It's a path to inner serenity and self-care. In the quietude of her mat, she finds a balance that transcends the physical form, reaching into the depths of her being. In each asana, there's a lesson in mindfulness, a moment of connection between breath and movement. The Sigma female cherishes this practice, as it brings her a sense of harmony and centeredness that ripples through all facets of her life. Yoga offers him a sanctuary where the noise of the world fades into the background, replaced by the rhythm of his breath and the stillness of his focus. It's a practice that nourishes both body and mind, providing a foundation of strength and flexibility along with mental clarity and peace. For the Sigma female, yoga is a silent dialogue with the self, a time for reflection and growth. It's where she cultivates resilience and grace, preparing her to navigate the complexities of life with poise and peace. Hobby number 9, astronomy, the ancient and noble pursuit that beckons the Sigma female to explore the cosmos. It's a hobby that ignites the flames of wonder and fuels the fires of curiosity. In the stillness of the night, armed with her telescope, the Sigma female embarks on a voyage across the universe. Each constellation tells a story, each planet reveals a secret, and each star whispers the possibilities of other worlds. It's a silent odyssey that expands her mind and deepens her love for knowledge. The vastness of space is a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. Yet it's this very expanse that draws the Sigma female closer to the mysteries that lie beyond our grasp. Astronomy is her gateway to discovery, a challenge to her intellect, and an eternal quest for understanding the unknown. For the Sigma female, stargazing is more than a hobby. It's a lifelong passion. It's where she finds solace in the infinite, a sense of connection to the grandeur of the universe, and a relentless drive to uncover the secrets it holds. Hobby number 10, volunteering, a selfless venture that transcends individual desires and connects her to the heartbeat of the community. It's in this act of giving that she discovers the true wealth of her spirit. In the trenches of volunteer work, the Sigma female encounters the raw realities of life. It's here, among those who need her most, that she cultivates a profound sense of empathy. Each act of kindness, each hour donated, is a step towards a more compassionate world. But volunteering is not just about giving. It's also about growing. As she navigates the challenges of altruistic work, the Sigma female hones her leadership skills. She learns to inspire, to organize, and to drive change. It's a journey that shapes her into a beacon of hope and a pillar of strength for those around her. For the Sigma female, volunteering is more than a hobby. It's a commitment to the greater good. It's where she finds fulfillment, not in accolades, but in the smiles she brings to faces and the lives she touches. It's where she leads not by authority, but by example, and in doing so, she elevates not just others, but herself. As we close the chapter on these 10 hobbies that resonate with the Sigma female archetype, we reflect on a journey that's both inward and outward. From the introspective art of writing to the strategic world of chess, from the empowering discipline of martial arts to the creative freedom of DIY projects, each hobby is a facet of the Sigma female's multifaceted persona. These hobbies are not just pastimes. They are portals to personal growth and self-discovery. They are invitations to explore the depths of your potential and the breadth of your spirit. Whether it's through the tranquility of gardening, the problem-solving thrill of coding, or the vast mysteries unlocked by astronomy, there's a universe of hobbies waiting for you to dive in. So, we encourage you, embrace these activities, let them guide you to new horizons of knowledge and fulfillment. And as you embark on this voyage of self-improvement, remember that each step you take is a step towards becoming the architect of your destiny. If you found inspiration in this video, if you felt the call to explore these hobbies, then like this video and subscribe to Stoic Philosophy. Join us on this quest for wisdom, and together, let's build a community of curious minds and stoic spirits. Until next time, keep exploring, keep growing, and keep writing your own story.